Hi all, it's Matt from Style Factory here, the go-to site for business app reviews. In this ContentShake AI review, I take you through the key pros and cons of Semrush's AI-powered writing tool and help you decide if it's right for your content creation needs. Before I get started though, I just wanted to say that in the video description, you'll find links to ContentShake AI and Semrush. Some of these let you access exclusive, extended free trials, so they're really worth checking out. But please note that if you buy through these links, we may receive a commission. This helps fund our reviews and educational content, so we'd love you to click our links if you can. With that out of the way, let's dive into the review. I'm going to start with a look at the key pros of using ContentShake and then move on to the cons of doing so. 1. It's great for generating content ideas. ContentShake is a really good source of SEO-friendly content ideas. Its topic finder tool recommends subjects to write about based on real-time SEO data from Semrush, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and search intent. This data-driven approach helps ensure that the topics you decide to write about are relevant to your business niche, actively being searched for, and possible to rank for. And because the topic finder pulls data directly from live search results, the suggestions provided are always up to date. This contrasts positively with competing AI tools, many of which make content recommendations based on old or static data sets. 2. It helps you create structured SEO content briefs quickly. ContentShake's SEO content brief generator gives you a great way to create clear content structures and briefs. You enter a target keyword into it, and the tool automatically pulls in top-ranking competitor content for comparison. From there, you can choose which competitor articles to base your article structure on. The Content Brief Generator then lets you customize key elements of your brief, including the title, word count, secondary keywords, and meta description. It then generates a suggested outline for your article, which you can easily edit to match your own voice or audience. Once you're happy with the brief, you can export it to Google Docs or continue writing within ContentShake itself. 3. It's good at improving existing content. ContentShake AI doesn't just generate brand new articles for you. It also helps you improve your existing content by highlighting issues relating to its SEO, readability, and tone of voice. It also provides an overall quality score for your work, showing you how well it is optimized and how well it is likely to resonate with your audience. These content checking features are particularly well suited to small businesses without in-house SEO or editorial teams. They go some of the way towards providing that sort of expertise. 4. It lets you draw directly from top-performing content without plagiarizing it. One of the best things about ContentShake AI is the way it brings competitor data directly into its article editor. As you build or write your article in ContentShake, the editor displays a curated panel of competitor insights, including articles' titles, introductions, structural outlines, notable facts, images, and key data points. The great thing about this approach is that it allows you to model your content on what's already ranking well in search results. If a competitor has structured their piece a certain way or opened with a compelling stat or hook, you can draw from those techniques to shape your own article. What makes ContentShake AI especially clever here is its built-in rephrase button next to each competitor excerpt. This lets you rewrite original sentences or paragraphs in a fresh, original way. This means you can avoid plagiarizing other work. 5. It lets you create multiple brand voices. A brand voice is the tone, style, and personality associated with your writing, whether that's conversational and warm, formal and technical, or direct and persuasive. Being able to define multiple voices makes it easy to tailor content for different brands, products, or audience types. And helpfully, ContentShake's brand voice system lets you create up to 50 different voices, far more than the number offered by competing tools. Okay, so those are the key pros of using ContentShake AI, but what could it do better? I'll come to that in just a moment, but before I do, I'd just like to say that if you're interested in trying ContentShake out, do check out the video description, where I've put a link to a special 7-day free trial of the platform. I've also put a link to a double-length Semrush free trial in the description too. And if you'd like to get access to all our latest SEO and digital marketing content, do take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's look at the key cons of using ContentShake. 1. its limits on creating SEO-boosted articles are ungenerous. ContentShake AI lets you create two types of articles: regular articles and SEO-boosted ones. Regular articles are written by the AI based on your keyword input, but without drawing on Semrush's SEO data, and you can create an unlimited number of these each month. SEO-boosted articles, by contrast, make full use of Semrush's proprietary SEO databases, and as you might expect, the output they provide is more likely to rank highly in search results. But on the standard ContentShake AI plan, you can only create 5 of these SEO-boosted articles per month. This will feel restrictive if you're a high-output blogger or part of a busy content team. If you're stuck, you can buy credits for creating more SEO-boosted articles, and having an active Semrush subscription will increase your limit to 20 SEO-boosted articles per month, but it would be better if a more generous limit was available in the first place. 2. You can't upload documents or data to ContentShake. A key limitation of ContentShake AI is that it doesn't allow you to upload Google or Word documents for analysis and improvement. Any copy you want to work with on ContentShake AI needs to be copied and pasted manually into the tool, which can slow things down quite a bit. ContentShake doesn't support spreadsheet or database uploads either. So if your workflow involves creating content based on insights from tables, survey data, or research notes, you won't be able to use the tool to parse that information and structure content around it. This contrasts negatively with competing tools like ChatGPT, which can analyze uploaded data and create content based on it too. 3. Its 5,000 word limit isn't ideal for very long-form writing. In theory, ContentShake AI lets you set article lengths between 1,000 and 5,000 words, which works well for most blog posts and online articles. But if you're aiming to create something bigger, like an ebook or a long opinion piece, there are better tools available. ChatGPT and Pseudowrite, for example, are both better suited to creating very long-form content. 4. It supports fewer languages than competing tools. ContentShake AI lets you generate content in 7 languages: English, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. This makes its language range relatively limited compared to those of competing tools. Jasper supports over 80 languages. Surfer SEO supports 14 languages, and ChatGPT provides strong support for 15 to 20 and basic support for many more. 5. It doesn't store reusable brand or product information. ContentShake doesn't offer a way to save and reuse important brand or product information. While it can keep your brand's tone of voice consistent, you'll still need to retype or copy-paste brand-specific info into the tool every time you start a new article. This sounds like a small thing, but it can soon become a time-consuming one. Some competing tools, like Copy AI, offer more comprehensive brand kit features. These let you store key details like product descriptions, company facts, and messaging guidelines in one place. And this lets the AI automatically pull from that information when generating content. For example, if you always refer to your service as a fast, no-code analytics platform, Copy AI will remember and reuse that phrasing in the content it creates for you, but ContentShake won't. Okay, so those are the key cons of using ContentShake AI. I'll wrap things up now with a quick verdict on the tool. Overall, ContentShake AI is a well-rounded content creation tool that does a great job of generating search-friendly articles based on real SEO data. Its topic finder, optimization tools, and brand voice features make it particularly useful for bloggers, marketers, and small teams aiming to create comprehensive, well-structured articles without having to constantly switch between multiple tools. That said, it's not without its limitations. The fairly ungenerous limit on the number of SEO-boosted articles you can create is a concern, and it would be great to see the option to upload data for use in content creation added soon. This would add a lot of value to proceedings. But overall, ContentShake is a very solid, reasonably priced AI tool, with its key USP being that it uses Semrush's vast SEO dataset to help you craft articles that stand a good chance of ranking highly. I hope you've enjoyed this video, but there's a lot more to learn about ContentShake. If you'd like an even deeper dive into the tool, just Google Style Factory ContentShake Review to find our in-depth blog post on the platform. I've also put a link to this in the video description. Before you go, it would be great if you could like this video, click the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. And finally, if you have any questions, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and will do our best to help.